How to join the Pro Rescue Simulator Discord server. Basically, you want to open up Discord, and then right here where it says add a server, the plus sign, you want to select this option. Then you want to scroll down and click on this, join a server. So here's what you type if you want to join the server. You want to type discord.gg/B MWAA 58 HR3, and then you click on join server. So as you can see, we have joined the official Pro Rescue Simulator Discord server. So you can get codes here, so on and so forth. If you need help updating with Bloxlink, I have a video on that on my channel. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.